Have you noticed those oddly satisfying wall repair videos taking over social media lately? They start with a damaged, messy wall and somehow end with a perfectly smooth finish, and the results look incredibly real. This type of content is getting millions of views. One Instagram page in this niche has already passed 300,000 followers, while its biggest videos have pulled in 167 million, 174 million, and 84 million views. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create viral AI wall repair videos for free, step by step, using simple AI. Let's jump straight in. First, head over to the Google Doc and copy the prompts provided. Next, open Flow AI and switch to the video section. Select ingredients. Set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose the Omni Flash model and set your preferred video duration. Now paste in the prompt we just copied. At the top of the prompt, enter the color of the wall you want to create. Once everything is set, simply click Generate, and within a few seconds, your AI wall repair video will be ready. Download the final video to your device. And now, let's take a look at the final result. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section.